What's up guys? Wanna check out my 2023 trading setup? Come on in. In this video, we're gonna go over every piece of equipment I'm using to trade in 2023. This exact setup helped me make $1,200 a day in a matter of 30 minutes of work. Let's go over every piece of equipment and see where the magic happens. Here's what we're gonna cover today. A Mac laptop, monitors and TV, desk, internet speed, a comfortable chair, some video equipment for filming YouTube videos, and of course a mobile device for trading on the go. Just a disclaimer, I need to tell you something. Just like how a brand new camera won't make you a better photographer, having the latest and greatest trading equipment won't guarantee your success as a trader. You need the right educations and psychology to trade well. I'll explain how my setup helps me trade, but I didn't always trade with multiple monitors and a powerful laptop to begin with. I start small, and I built my trading ecosystem up over time, using my trading setup as inspiration so you can build your own trading setup that is unique to your trading style. Mac laptop. If you're a day trader, you know that you need a powerful trading machine. In fact, your machine can make or break your trading day. A slow, clunky stock computers is one of the biggest reasons many beginners traders experience slippage. Slippage means that there is a significant change in the buy or sell price when you actually enter the trade from when you choose to do so. Having the best trading computer allows you to interact with other markets and make the trades you want in real time. For that reason, I choose a 2023 MacBook Pro right here. With the 12-core CPU, 32 gigs of memory, its powerful processing speed is exactly what I needed for running multiple trading platforms and tools simultaneously. 16-inch diagonal, super high-resolution display for clear and detailed market analysis. It's lightweight, it's portable for trading on the go. This is the device I use to analyze the charts every day. I share the screen and trade live in front of my fellow students and traders. I also put all of the course materials together so I can teach my audience how to do it. This is the best performance laptop that any money can buy in 2023. Microsoft Surface Book 3. This is the device right here. Meet the laptop that can handle all of your biggest demands. The Surface Book 3 brings together the powerhouse performance, high-end graphics into a robust book that can also turn into a tablet or a portable studio. Now, with a blink of an eye, I can turn this laptop into an on-the-go tablet. I'm switching from a 9-block view or a 4-grid charts from 2 different screens into essentially a 13-inch and a half, managing all of my trades positions anywhere inside my house. I'm gonna do it so you guys can see it. There's one secret that a lot of people don't tell you when you're shopping for these devices though, is that A, if you're purchasing this equipment using a student account, there is a significant savings up to 10% that you can take advantage of, or B, if you're purchasing them under a business like I do, then the entire system comes as a write-off or a business expense that you never have to worry about. It's part of your business operating costs. So make sure you take advantage of those savings tips. Monitors and TV. Now, as a day trader, you've got to have multiple screens. I'm talking about a simple, nice, organized, and neat type of setup. Just like what I have here, as you can see. Multiple monitors for simultaneously viewing of multiple charts and data points all at one time. In day trading, multiple time frame analysis is extremely important. I'm able to check for 9 different other markets all at once and up to 4 different time frames on the same instrument that I'm trading with, which is the E-mini SP500 futures. Beside ES, I'm checking the performance of RTY, YM or the Dow Jones, NQ or the mini Nasdaq, VIX or the volatility index, ticker symbols like Apple, Tesla, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, all at the same time. Now, the same monitor setup gives me the ability to customize the display for optimal viewing and analysis. Me personally, I like the look of a curve so that I don't squeeze my eyes onto, so many different angles at the same time. That curve design helped me focus the most. Now let's talk about the trading desk. After trading on a stand-up desk, I realized a large and spacious desk is much better for trading. First, it accommodates multiple monitors or trading tools all at once. And second, I have space to put on a notepad, write down my trading plan, journal my trades. It's got an ergonomic design for comfort during long trading sessions. The best though, I got this desk from Costco, so I can return them back into the stores whenever I want if it doesn't work out. Internet speed is the next thing. High-speed internet for fast and reliable trading executions. Backup internet source is also important for uninterrupted trading during internet outages. Now, understand low latency for receiving real-time market data. My current internet provides about 2 gigs of downloading speed when hardwired into the ground. Now, literally, without internet, there is no way I could operate my business. So when I take the tablet into the furthest corner of the house, I'm still getting about 300 megabits per second of downloaded and uploading speed at the same time. In addition to the main provider, the rest of the house is using a secondary internet provider, which I could use that as a backup from my main office if and when necessary. In trading, you gotta understand, we've talked about risks and rewards, right? The biggest risk that you can put yourself into being a trader is that either due to an extreme weather conditions, you don't have any source of internet service, or in the middle of a trade, your internet connection is down. Trust me, I've been there before and you don't wanna go there. Good lighting is necessary as well. I'm using 2 different key lights. The first one is the Godox Dome, literally from Amazon, and the second one is the Key Light Air from Best Buy. Now with this light, you can change the color, the brightness, and the exposure from an app, so it's super convenient. In trading, I've realized bright linings is super important for reducing eye strain and fatigue. One good thing about trading in Central Time or Eastern Time is that when the market is open, you get the natural light sources for improved mood and productivity, unlike the Pacific Time. As you may be aware, I've recently moved away from California and left my 9-to-5 job to pursue the day trading full time. Now, for a complete list of locations where I've been trading in the past recent months, check out this video here for reference. We're gonna walk into video equipment for filming YouTube videos in order to deliver the highest quality videos to you. I'm currently using a Canon mirrorless camera, in particular the EOS R. I know a high quality camera is needed for clear and detailed recordings for trading sessions. In addition, I'm using a Shure MV7. The professional microphones here is for clear and crisp audio recordings. English is my second language, and I want to make sure I sound good for my audience during my live trading sessions in the morning or when I host classes in the evening to teach my students how to trade. Of course, video editing software for creating engaging and informative trading videos is always the last step. Currently, I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro for all of my editing needs. Last but not least, a mobile device for trading on the go. The ability to trade from anywhere with an internet connection, the access to trading platforms and tools from a mobile device, the quick and convenient access to market news and updates. For that, I'm using the iPhone Pro from Apple. In conclusion, I hope this video has been educational for you, and I hope we were able to connect more on a personal level. Let me know in the comments what questions you have about my equipment, and tell me what your setup looks like. I've known fellow traders who have built their own systems, used laptops, or even gaming computers to trade. Check out these photos here for their preference. The takeaway message here is this: focus on what works for you. Be consistent and use this video as a reference to build on your own trading platform. Before we end this video, please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. It's the only way for me to know that you enjoy the content and that I'm delivering here for you each and every day that is useful information. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.